Now recognize that the body wants to make notes. Recognize that little craving. Oh, I will miss this. I want to make note. So what has arisen? The person arose. Yeah, it is one arising at a time. But what do you think? No, the person is continuous. You do not see the person arise like a wave. Are you seeing this? If you maintain your distance, you will see it. So don't ignore the fact that it is one arising at a time. The person arose and that wave receded. Then the thought arose, oh, she's telling me something. If I take the stand of the witness and stay here, I will not be able to make that note. Yeah, that is the thought. It arose and it went away. It left a feeling behind. Observe, there is this feeling. And that feeling also arose and it went away. You just sewed them together and you made a story. The story of, oh, if I just stay behind and leave that notebook and pen, I will not be able to write this down. I will miss it later. Do you see it? What have I done? I just stitched these 2, 3 arisings together and I sewed a story. No. Again, this is ignorance. The story is ignorance. What is knowledge? Oh, there is just one arising at a time. There is just one arising at a time. There's the person arising. Again, the thought that, oh, I have to make the notes. Oh, again, the sensation that arose. Yeah. Again, another arising of automatically the pen coming into the hand and the notes start getting written. And again, the thought, no, stay as the witness. You have created a concept that while making notes, I cannot be the witness. You created this. Ekta didn't tell you this. You see this? One after another, you're creating a story. One after another, you're creating a story. So, what are you doing? You are ignoring the fact of one arising at a time. You understand the first level of ignorance? It's a very subtle saying. Either you see it or you don't. Yeah, and if you don't see it, please be honest and humble. Work on it this week. Oh, I'm not able to see this. It's pointless trying to rush through Ramadrashti. Let me work on this. So, become very clear. I tend to ignore one arising at a time. Yeah. So, become very clear. Oh, see, right now there is just the rising of the computer. Oh, now I only heard the sentence that Ekta said. Oh, now the stomach is growling. I only recognize the growl in the stomach. Then the thought came up, oh, maybe I'm hungry. I didn't have breakfast. Something. You see, there is only one arising at a time. Either you hear Ekta or you see Ekta. Both are not together. Yeah. Either you're thinking about the hunger pangs or you are listening to Ekta. Both are not happening together. There is only one arising at a time. So that's homework number 1. Do I recognize one arising at a time? Either there is sight or sound or smell or taste or touch or thought or feeling or sensation. These 8 are never together. When are they together? Only when I weave them into a story. Yeah. So again and again, discard the story and look at whatever the arising is right now. Simple. That's the first part.